Day 3 of my 250 brick challenge is complete. Today I finished the second half of the LEGO Speed Champions set that I started yesterday. Yesterday I built the McLaren Solus GT, and today I completed the McLaren F1 LM. With that, the entire set is complete. As with the Solus GT, the instruction manual didn't give a piece count for the McLaren F1 LM, so I had to add it up myself using my calculator. Once again, it turns out this car has 290 pieces, bringing my total for today well above my 250 brick daily goal. Now that I've completed both cars, I've got to say the overall set looks really impressive. The contrasting colors of the McLaren Solus GT and the McLaren F1 LM make for a great display, and I really appreciated how different the building experiences were for each car. But let's talk a bit more about my experience with this set, because it wasn't without its challenges. One thing I noticed throughout both builds is that there were several pages in the instruction manuals that only had a graphic rendering. They didn't actually have a call-out or any arrows indicating exactly where the pieces on that page were supposed to go. This was especially tricky when the pieces were the same color as the rest of the car. It was sometimes difficult to figure out where the pieces needed to be placed. I think LEGO would really benefit from being more consistent with their instructions and including call-out arrows on every page, especially when dealing with more complicated builds or even just for new people learning how to build. That minor issue aside, there were a lot of positives in this set too. Both cars came with multiple sets of rims for the wheels, which added a nice bit of customization. It was fun being able to pick the style that I wanted to use, and I think it adds a personal touch to the final look of the cars. Another cool thing about this set was that it introduced me to some new types of LEGO pieces that I hadn't encountered before. As someone who's still growing on this LEGO journey, I think this set was a great challenge. It pushed me to focus on the details and helped me to learn how to deal with more complex builds. But I hate stickers. They really should do something other than stickers. All in all, despite some of the hiccups with the instructions, I really enjoyed building both the McLaren Solus GT and the McLaren F1 LM. Each car had its own unique elements, and together they make for a really nice set. I feel this was a great choice to continue pushing myself as I work through this challenge. Thanks for joining me on day 3.